In this video, we're going to be looking at probabilities of an event and its complement. So for the first problem, a dartboard has 8 equally sized slices, numbering from 1 to 8. Some of the slices are gray, while others are white. The slices numbered 5, 6, and 7 are gray. Notice that down here on this, we see them as gray. So these are the slices on the dartboard that are gray. And then the rest of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, are not gray. They're white. Okay. So the dart is tossed and lands on a slice at random. Let X be the event that the dart lands on a gray slice, and let P of X be the probability of X happening. And then let not X be the event that the dart lands on a slice that is not gray, so white, and let P of not X be the probability of not X. Okay. For each event in the table, check the outcomes that are contained in the event. Then in the last column, enter the probability of the event. Okay, so the event, let's go back because we're trying to fill in this table here. What is the event? So the event is right here. Let X be the event that a dart lands on a gray slice. Okay, so that means the event happened not here, not here, not here, not here, 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 and here was good, and then not here. So this is the event that a dart hit a gray slice. Okay, and then not X is the event that it's not a gray slice that got hit. So not X would be the white one. So it would be this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and the probability of these, well, we have 8 total things that are happening here. Total darts that are thrown. 3 of the 8 land on gray. So the probability of X is 3 over 8. Okay. And then for not X, the probability that it'll hit white is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of a total of 8. So not X is 5 out of 8. Okay. Let's read what the next question says. So the next one says, subtract 1 minus P of X. Okay. So we have P of X right here. So P of X, I'll even write it right here. P of X is equal to 3/8. Okay, so if I do 1 minus P of X, that'll be 1 minus 3 over 8. Okay, and we don't need a calculator for this. I can put a 1 under here, and I can change the denominator to 8 by multiplying the top and bottom by 8. Okay, so that'll be 8 over 1, or 8 over 8 minus 3 over 8. And then since you have a common denominator, you can just bring it together with an 8 on bottom, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, so 1 minus P of X is 5 over 8. Okay, and then the last question says, 1 minus P of X is the same as which? Well, you can go right up here and you can see that there's a 5/8 right here, right? And 1 minus P of X was 5/8, and P of not X is equal to 5/8. So these two things are the same. 1 minus P of X and P of not X are the same. So 1 minus P of X is the same as P of not X. Okay, and that's it on that problem. Let's take a look at one more. A deck of 10 cards numbered from 1 to 10. Some are gray, some are white. The slices numbered 1, 7, and 9. It's here. 1, 7, and 9 are gray. The slices numbered 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 are white. Okay, a card is drawn at random. X is the event that the card is gray. That's this. And that means that, and P of X is the probability of X. That's what we're going to figure out here. And then not X is probability that the card is not gray, so thus white. That would be all these that are white. Okay. Okay, so let's fill in this table. So X, the event X, remember, is this right here. Let X be the event that the card is gray. Okay, so it's gray here, so I'll X that one in. It's gray here, and it's gray here. That is 3 times that it happened out of how many? 10. 3 out of 10. Okay. Now for not X, which is not gray, that would mean 2. That's not gray. 3, 4, 5. Whoops. 5, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 10. So probability of not X is 7 out of 10. Okay, now subtract 1 minus P of X. We've got P of X here. Okay, so 1 minus 3 over 10. I need a common denominator of 10 again, so I'll put this with a 1 on bottom and multiply the top and bottom by 10 so that my fraction becomes 10 over 10, which is the same thing as 1, minus 3 over 10. And since we have a common denominator, we can put just 1 10 on bottom, and 10 minus 3 on top is 7. Okay? And then the last question, 1 minus p of x, what we just found, is the same as which of the following? Well, just like last time, if you subtract 1 minus this probability, you'll get the other probability, the not x probability. So 1 minus p of x is the same thing as p of not x. And that is this right here. So 1 minus p of x is equal to p of not x. And that's it.